Damn, the fire alarm. There ain't no fire alarm. That's a goddamn severe storm, tornado going off. My wife done ran to the basement. Me and AJ over here still tinting this truck. Look, we already got 2 doors done. That should look clean. Little slight 35. Let the tornado come for me. Fuck it. I'm staying my ass here. Fuck them tornado alerts and going to the basement. Peace.
Right now, you think we about to die. Oh, it just started raining. It just started raining on their ass. Look, look. Oh, shit. Everybody's scared. Ain't no tornado finna happen. Yeah.
We live from Easton, Illinois, Arno Sports Park. Tornado sirens are going off. Stop signs are going crazy behind me. Seek shelter immediately.
I hear this? Bro, tornadoes ain't even not close to us right now. My mama said we in the heart of it. Damn, look at that. Shit, bright.
Oh, it is so crazy.
Tornado watching. That's the direction it will be coming from. Okay. Now I think I'm fixing storm shelter my way to the backyard. None of the clouds are rotating, which is a good thing.
It's moving fairly quick. I don't say nothing yet.
you at, you early bird?